Oh, hey, man. Yeah. Next step, man. Grab yourself a pan and coat it with some tin foil, man. Because we're going to broil these babies up, get them nice and super tasty. Oh, man. Okay, well, while we're going on that, man, set that aside here. Might as well get our onions ready, man. Cause yeah, it's almost going here, man. So maybe up some onions and some mushrooms and fry them up, and then boil the pierogies and throw them in, and get a little nice tasty taste. Okay, man, to show you when you're getting kind of close, you can see kind of bubbles, eh? I don't know, you probably can't see that on the camera, but it'll start to kind of bubble a little bit here, right? Like I said, let's go for about another hour here, and we're on about 4 hours now. Okay, man? Right on. Oh yeah, man. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, you might as well get these pierogies ready to roll here a little bit, eh? Oh yeah. So that water boiling, man. Oh yeah.